beauties, it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I got some packages here today, so I definitely had to unbox them with you guys because that makes it all the more fun, of course. And I am having a little giveaway too for you guys. I want to have as many giveaways as I can during the holidays, so we're going to have a nice giveaway also for you guys. So let me get right into it though really quickly. Should I show you the giveaway first? Okay, let me show you the giveaway first, and then we'll unbox the packages that came in the mail. So I wanted to have a giveaway for you guys for a Charlotte Tilbury lippy and her lip cheat lip pencil. So this is the lipstick in the shade Legendary Queen. And then, so this is her amazing lipstick. I absolutely love her lipstick. And then here is her lip cheat lip liner. And this is in the shade, I believe this is Walk of Shame. Yes, so this is Walk of Shame and her lipstick. So this is for a giveaway. So if you want to enter the giveaway, just be subscribed to my channel and definitely leave me a comment below and let me know you'd like to be entered to win this amazing lips kit kind of set. So let's just get right into it, guys. I've been waiting and waiting for my Fab Fit Fun box to get here. So guys, it finally got here and I'm so excited. Look how big it is. Guys, I got my first Fab Fit Fun box. It was like 2 months ago, I guess. It doesn't come every month. So the Fab Fit Fun boxes don't come every month. I think they come every 3 times a year or something like that. But they are absolutely amazing. And the last one that I got, I was so blown away by everything that was inside. So I couldn't wait to see what came for this box. So let's go ahead and open it. Guys, so here it is. Oh god, it's sealed, guys. But there's so much good stuff in these Fab Fit Fun boxes, so that's why I'm so excited. I got a message and they said it was coming. I've just been like on pins and needles waiting for it to come. Ooh! Oh my god, guys. So the first thing that just came out here is this really super soft blanket. So this is from Mark & Graham Personalized Gifts. So that's really awesome. Oh, so they also gave a Bite Beauty lipstick. This is in the color Meringue. I also got a Thrive Cosmetics Instant Brilliant Highlighting Stick Eye Brightener. Okay, I'm going to have to try that right now because I love highlighting sticks. So here it is. It's like a pen. Oh, I like this. Ooh. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see, but it really just made my eyes super bright. I love this because it's very easy. A lot of highlighter, they're just like they're kind of big and you need a brush. And I've never seen one like this that's shaped like a pen, you know, like a brush or like a pen. So it's easy to keep in your bag. So I really love that. I don't know, guys, if you can see a difference, let me know. But that's really handy. You can throw it in your bag when you're on the go. So I really like that because I love to be highlighted, guys. I'm a highlight addict. Sometimes it's hard, so that's really nice. You could keep it in your makeup bag and just do touch-ups on, you know, do your makeup on the go. So let's keep it moving, guys. This box is pretty big. Oh, so they gave a Moroccan Gold Series Intense treatment for your hair with pure argan oil. So that's really nice. Oh, guys, I've been wanting this so bad. I always try this when I go in the store. This is the Orbe Gold Lush Dry Shampoo, and I always want to get this, but it's like $50, so I don't get it. But this whole box was, I believe, $50, so that's a great deal. So here it is, guys. I've been wanting this so bad. I'm so happy. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, it made my hair feel so soft. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. You know what? I don't think I tried the dry... I don't know if I tried the dry shampoo. Maybe I tried the texturizing spray because I've never felt this before, how it made it so soft. That's crazy. Usually dry shampoo, you know, it makes it feel kind of stiff. But this actually made my hair feel super soft. Wow. Wow, I don't know, you know what? I don't think I tried the dry shampoo. I must have tried maybe the texturizing, a different one, because I've never tried this. This is amazing. My hair feels so soft, guys. It's crazy. And it feels, you know, having more volume. It feels clean. My hair was dirty. So it definitely does feel cleaner, but it doesn't feel dry whatsoever. So this is absolutely amazing. I'm so glad I got this. I would not have gotten that because, like I said, I go to the store, I try it. It's so expensive, so I never get it. But it came in the box this month, so that's awesome. And like I said, the box is $49, I believe. So that's a great deal. So then they sent this Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. Love that. And let's see what else. This is the Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream Mary C from Anthropologie Beauty. Let's give this a try. Oh, it's sealed. That packaging is so beautiful though, isn't it? Wow. Usually I love things that have the word sugar in the title, like the scents that say sugar, because they're kind of like sweet. So I love sweet scents usually. So let me see here. Oh, that's really nice. It's really light. It doesn't smell that sweet. So it feels good. It feels very light and like watery, so I like that, because a lot of times I hate using lotion. It's very hard for me to use body lotion. Even though I want to, I can't use them because they always feel sticky to me. They always feel heavy, but so far this feels really lightweight and not sticky at all. So I'll let you know how, if it keeps, you know, if it stays feeling like that. Yeah, so far it still feels very lightweight, but sometimes they dry down sticky. So we're gonna have to wait a few minutes. But otherwise that's really nice. Definitely not as sweet. Actually, now it smells kind of peppery. So, you know, it's not my favorite scent. It's not bad though. It's just not, like, very light. Look at all the stuff in here, guys. There's more stuff. So here is the black eye mask hyaluronic acid. This is probably awesome, since the hyaluronic acid is really, you know, plumps up under your eyes. So I'll give that a try. Guys, I'm so skeptical of everything. Oh, then they sent the Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. So it's really gorgeous colors. And then they give you a magazine. So here's Brooke Burke on the cover. So beautiful. Oh, so they're having a giveaway, guys. I'm going to enter. They said if you take a picture of your FabFitFun box or make a video and you tag them, FF giveaway, Royalton Fit, you can win a trip to a Royalton luxury resort. So I'm going to enter, guys. Because ever since I met you dolls, you guys are my lucky charms. Like I was telling you guys the other day, I win giveaways now. So I would never in 1,000 years enter this giveaway. But now I will. Because of you guys. So if I win, it's going to be all because of you dolls. So also in my FabFitFun box is this Dr. Pores No More cleanser. So that's pretty awesome. Refining cleanser. So guys, I also got this package here from Charlotte Tilbury. So I can't believe it. I'm going to open it now for the first time with you guys. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Oh my god, I can't even believe it. This is really insane, guys. So let's see what it is. And she included a really nice card. So that was so nice of her. Here it is, guys. I don't even want to rip the paper. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. So I do use a lot of Charlotte Tilbury products and I use them up. So far I just saw something right here that I have been using and I absolutely love it. Her Wonder Glow Primer. So I have been using her primer and I've been using it. I purchased it at Sephora and I absolutely love it. So let me see if I'm sure it's the same one, but I do think she has two primers. So let me see if this is the same. Yeah, this is the same one that I have that I've been using and I absolutely love it. So I can't be more happy and grateful. Thank you so much, Charlotte Tilbury, because this is her Wonder Glow primer and like I said, I do use this and I love it. So this is just an amazing primer that I love. And then she sent her Full Fat Lashes mascara. I've never tried this. So let me give it a try, even though I do have, of course, I have my lashes on, I have my makeup on. But we can always use it on them little baby lashes that didn't get nothing on the bottom. So let's see here. So I can't really tell right now because I did actually have mascara on my baby lashes on my bottoms. So I can't give you a full assessment right now, but it looks amazing. Of course, all her products are so amazing. So, oh my god, guys, I just saw this that she sent. Please, God, let this be what I think it is. Yes! Her magic cream. Oh my god, guys, I had this. I actually treated myself for my birthday. I think it was last year. Or the year before I purchased one. and I loved it, and I used it up, and I loved it so much. And so, oh my god, I can't even believe this. She sent me one, guys. Oh my god. This is so amazing. This stuff is amazing, guys. So thank you so much, Charlotte Tilbury, and everybody at Charlotte Tilbury for gifting me with this. This is so absolutely amazing. Like I was saying, I did order one for a special gift for myself. It was like a year ago, and I used it all up, and I loved it, and I ran out. So thank you so much again, and there is some more amazing stuff in here. I cannot believe my eyes, actually. So they also sent here the Pillow Talk lip liner. I absolutely love this. I actually have this, and I've been using it. I'm almost like used it all up. I'm down to like my little nub of it, but I absolutely love this. Thank you so much. And they sent another lip liner, and I love her lip liners, and I'm a lip liner junkie, and I absolutely love them. So, oh, this is the, oh, Feline Flick. This is her eyeliner, so I can't wait to use that. Thank you so much. So there is a few more things in here. I know I had her powder, and I used it up. I love that. Oh, guys, she sent me her Film Star Bronze and Glow. I have this, and I used it up. I actually used the whole thing up. I actually had made an empties video, and I mean an empties bucket, and it's in the bucket because I used the whole thing up. I absolutely love it. So thank you so much. Oh my god, it's the highlighter and the sculpting. Look how gorgeous the packaging is. It feels amazing in your hands too. It's so, oh, it feels so luxurious, but it really does work too. So I have used the whole thing up. I really did, guys. I absolutely touch it. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, it's just gorgeous. Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm going to show you. You've probably seen me use it. I've used it in many, many videos because I absolutely love it. So there's just a few more things in here. So this is her eyeshadow palette. I've never used Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow, so I cannot wait. So I'm sure they're just absolutely amazing. So let's see what colors are in here. I have a Charlotte Tilbury, a few blushes that I love. Oh, these are so, and I'm so glad I don't have these colors. So I can't wait to play with these and make a look. Thank you so much. So also in here is her Chic to Chic blush. So I do have a Charlotte Tilbury. I have two Charlotte Tilbury blushes that I love. So let's see. Oh my god, so I don't have this color. I'm so happy. Oh my god, thank you so much. It's just so gorgeous. Definitely natural, but it does give your face some life and some brightness. And all the Charlotte Tilbury products, what I really like too is they're not, you still get the glamorous vibe. It's just, they still leave you, you know, looking glamorous. It's, you know, they're not, they just really make you look glamorous. That's what I really like about them, because I love that glamorous look. There was just a few more things in here. So she also sent her lipstick in Bitch Perfect. I don't have this one. I have Valentina, I have Kim K W, I have a few. Oh, looks so gorgeous, guys. Oh my god. The packaging just feels so amazing in your hands. So I'm so glad, guys. I had actually won a lip kit, kind of, you know, a lip liner and a lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury from the Preen giveaway. So they did send another one. This is Red Carpet Red. Oh, look how gorgeous. I wish I could put it on right now. I'm going to do a look though, guys. So I will have a video up soon, and I'll do a look with these. So let me just make sure there's nothing else. But thank you so much. Charlotte Tilbury, I could not be more excited and grateful and happy. So I can't wait. So, I mean, look at that blush. Isn't that gorgeous? So I can't wait. Definitely be on the lookout. I'll have a tutorial of using these products soon. I absolutely love them. Thank you so much, Charlotte Tilbury. I'm on absolutely cloud 11, cloud 9, you know, everything. So happy right now. Actually, I had won a giveaway from Preen for the lipstick and the lip liner that I showed you guys earlier that I'm going to be giving away, and they had sent me doubles. So that's why I was going to be giving away, because I don't know if it was on accident or how, but they, you know, I wound up getting doubles. So I figured I would have the double for a giveaway for you guys. So, because I do love mine. I'm wearing it all the time. You've probably seen me wear it quite a few times already. Absolutely love all my Charlotte Tilbury makeup is amazing. I love it so much. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So guys, definitely if you would like to win your own Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and lip liner, just subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment below letting me know you'd like to take part, and I will be picking the winner very soon. So I can't wait to see who wins that amazing lip liner and lipstick. So guys, I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good. Thank you so much again to Charlotte Tilbury. And thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!